Welcome again to Guarantee RV here in Junction City. Teresa here to show you this beautiful Itasca Meridian. It's a 2011 40-foot L. It's a beautiful unit. Come inside and I'll show you why I think so. First thing that comes to my mind when I walk in is how soft and comfortable these captain's chairs are. They're gorgeous. Over on this side you'll see all of your automatic levelers and a cockpit that's very, very user-friendly, readable, screens that you can see, buttons that are right where you need them to be. And above us here in the cockpit is some great storage cabinetry all the way around. Beautiful woodwork, gorgeous 4-door refrigerator, nor cold, freezer with ice makers. You've got a nice dinette with extra chairs. This table does pull out quite a ways to accommodate 4 people. And the kitchen area is immaculate. Beautiful cabinetry, home-like storage space, and extra counter space when needed. And you've got your great propane stovetop with the heavy-duty griddle. Convection microwave, and more cabinetry and storage. It's a gorgeous kitchen, and of course you know this double sink and your instant hot water. Very nice. Some of this I see in these beautiful units that I just want to get this done in my house someday. As you enter into the living room, again, that soft leather-like fabric, it just feels so good to the touch and very, very comfortable to sit on. You kind of sink in, they're not hard, you lean back, and you don't get that feeling like you have to sit up straight the whole time. If needed, you could put in a fireplace. There's probably plenty of room here, but some people just really like having the storage. A nice big screen TV and more cabinetry. Coming down the hall, this is unusual. You rarely find these units with this much window and lighted space. This is your control center, and during the day you've got plenty of light to be able to read that instead of trying to read it in some dark hallway. Coming through here, I'll let the cameraman come through and take a look at this bathroom. Nicely appointed, laid out with lots of room to get around, move around, and not have to run into any elbows in there. More cabinetry, drawer space, television screen, and a king-size bed. Again, this is a 2011, and as I'm looking around, I wouldn't be able to tell the age on this unit if I didn't have a sticker on the window that told me that this was 8 years old. I think that somebody needs to come down here and take a look at this if they are looking for that 40-foot motorhome with a king-size bed and a full bath. This is a beautiful unit. I'm going to show you some of the outside cabinets and what the features are out there. Follow me. Let's see if we got one here. Yes! Aha! It's a two-handed cabinet. There's your extra chairs for the dinette. And this tray that it's sitting on is a pull-out tray. The release handle on the right, and you can reach it or negotiate it from either side of the coach. In the box down here, you've got extra tiles for your floor, so you don't have to worry about matching if anything were to happen. More ample storage space with under and over storage. Nice little box for your picnic chairs or your grill. This is a diesel unit, and this is going to house your chassis batteries and your house batteries. This Itasca has the Freightliner chassis, rear view camera, a 50 amp cord, and that is your wash station, shower, and your drain tanks. And of course, the other side to your pull-through cabinet space. Your garages in this unit are giant. Side view cameras as well. That's always nice to have when you've got 40 feet of machinery. And your electronics bay, sort of your breaker box. This one's a nice one. I wouldn't miss out on it if it's kind of striking your fancy. Come take a look at it, take it for a drive, and I'd be happy to help you. My number is listed below, and again, this is Teresa at Guarantee RV. Looking forward to meeting you and showing you this beautiful unit. Thank you.